Early morning coffee. As a buyer and a seller, or a seller and a buyer, how do you know whether you should buy first or sell first if you own a home? The most important thing is to know where we are in the property cycle, because if we're in a market where the prices and the market is ramping up, in a runaway market, you of course will certainly go out and buy, lock in your price, and even that short time between buying and selling, your home you sell or your property you sell could even be higher than when you started the process. Of course, on the other side of the coin, if the market is unknown and at higher risk and it's not that great, you then would certainly go out and sell first before you buy. Selling first will give you the luxury and the power of cash. That luxury and power is what will really help you speak when you make an offer on your new home to get it at a better price. Still having to sell when you're looking to buy does not make you a powerful buyer in an unknown, riskier, tougher market. So know your market before you make a decision. Let the markets help you make the decision whether you buy first or sell first. Happy investing.